Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi A3x with stylish glass back design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.71 inches HD plus waterdrop notch. Display resolution of 720 by 1650 pixels, approximately 82.9% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 268 ppi pixel density, 90 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 3 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 8-megapixel wide-angle camera, along with 0.08 megapixel auxiliary lens. For selfies it has 5-megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core, powered by Unisoc T603 chipset. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 3 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB of extended RAM, and 64 GB of eMMC 5.1 on board storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 168.4 by 76.3 by 8.3 mm, and its weight around 193 grams, and the color options Aurora Green, Midnight Black, Moonlight White colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 10-watt charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Redmi A3x has been priced in Pakistan for 3 GB plus 64 GB storage variant at 18,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Redmi A3x smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.